Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and yesterday we made this cute little guy here. Isn't he so adorable? A little place for Santa's letters and a great little tiered tray piece. So let's go ahead and make another quick and easy DIY. I've got the shortest of the candlesticks and this cute little candy dish, right? Or little dish. And oh my goodness, we used these flowers yesterday, and we're going to do the same today. I'm just going to use this little piece, and I am grabbing some black and white ribbon, and we're going to grab a couple pieces of that. Not sure how much we'll need, but I'm going to grab just a couple pieces, and we'll be able to cut that down. So we want to make another little candy dish, and of course in true Beauty and the Stamper fashion, we are turning that guy right upside down. We are going to take our hot glue gun and really get that hot glue on here toward the edge, because it does dip down a little bit, and we want to make sure that that gets in there. All right, and then we're going to take this guy, and of course we're going to put those two together, and they're going to line up rather nicely all the way around. And look at that! Is that adorable? But of course it's Christmas, so we may need to make this a little Christmassy. So I'm going to take these guys, and I am going to wrap them right around all four sides, so two of them, and we are going to wrap this and just put it in a little bow. It doesn't need to be tied in a knot, because we are going to put some hot glue there. And so let's go ahead and just add a little bit of hot glue here, just a little, and that's going to hold those together. And then I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to cut it right down toward the end, and then I do want to hold that all in place, as we're going to put hot glue there as well. And putting it on there is going to hold that inside piece and the leaves all together. And then we're going to take this and we're going to put that on here, and we're going to fluff it out to make sure we get it where we want, and it's all nice and neat. There we go. Now we've got these little tails hanging out, but I don't just want them off randomly. And you could add more tails, but I want them to have a little bit of, what would it be? Zhoosh? I don't know what the word would be, but I want to cut these at a little bit of an angle. And I'm going to do the same with these. I think Stanley is over there protecting me from who? Probably the Amazon guy. So we've got that there, just like that. And we want to add just a little droplet. Like, I'm not even pushing on it. And then I'm going to place this kind of up a little bit. And then place that down like that. So there we go, and now we're getting a little bit of a, would it be like a wave going? This one, again, very little bit. And again, just like that. We're going to do the same here, just kind of back a little bit. Very teeny tiny. And then the same over here. And you can have some sticking out if you want to do that. Whatever you would like, this is your project. So however you want. You can have 6, 10 pieces of this ribbon, but it is super cute. Let me go ahead and show you in this camera, and then in this camera as well. And just look at how adorable this piece is. I love it. It's just so Christmassy. And then you can put a tea light in here if you'd like it to be like a light or a lantern. Or you could put some candy in there, whatever you'd like. Maybe some little fairy lights would be cute. But it is just so adorable. There's no painting needed. However, if you wanted to, you could always paint this. So if you like this, please, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe because I am going to be doing these Christmas DIYs, quick and easy and inexpensive DIYs all Christmas season. So, all right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day and have a great rest of your weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye!
Today's the first day of the rest of your